Hi, I'm Mangesh Thorat, pursuing postgraduate diploma in industrial management from NITI, Mumbai. I have completed my graduation in computer engineering from Mumbai University. I have 32 months of experience in BFSI domain from Infosys, where I have worked for clients such as Barclays, Wells Fargo, and Insurance Australia Group. Basically, I was involved in design and conceptualizing the mobile application for these clients. I have developed automation scripts and increased overall efficiency of the application logic by 85%. I was also responsible for project scheduling and resource allocation. Also, I was the spoke at a single point of contact for the interaction with clients to understand the business requirements. I have been the key member in end-to-end production and delivering of the product using agile technology. I led a team of 5 to complete a POC on Android. In Infosys, I have received Spot Award, which is given to the most deserving candidate in a team, and appreciation from client and delivery manager for excellent work in a project. Also, I am very active in extracurricular activities. I was a core committee member of the student council in Father Agner College. Also, I have headed the sponsorship team for Criteria, a technical event held in Father Agner College every year. I have worked as a student volunteer for the Computer Society of India for the period of 2009-10. I have interest in finance. I like to follow and invest in stock market. I'm the fund manager of Earth, the investment club of Niti. For me, the life has been a series of opportunities with bittersweet outcomes. I say series of opportunities because at every step I saw a new opportunity knock in my door. I say bittersweet outcomes because at times success left a bitter aftertaste and likewise failures left me with a warm satisfaction. A similar scenario is visible in contemporary business scenario. The definition of success are changing. The word failure is losing its meaning because every failure opens a plethora of new opportunities. Thanks for listening.